Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 5.3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it. Then choose alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this blue plus icon. Now set up an hour and choose OK. After that, click on repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Fridays and Mondays. Then tap on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and click on label. Label your alarm however you want to and save your changes by clicking on OK. Now tap on this bell icon here, select dismissed and select one of those melodies. Add the alarm sound by clicking add the best one for you and going back. But you can also select add new, click at the top left corner over here, pick one of those sources and pick music from your device. Then go back and click on this little icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. In order to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also click on this icon under the switcher again and delete your alarm by tapping on the green one. And now it's gone. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!